try just a little more times, I would have made you a believer. Would have shown you what it's like every single night. In the cocktail world like shades on. Head it down, rude boy, get your foot up on my dash. Got all the receipts till I'm finished moving a little bit of heartbreak. A little bit of how could you do that? A little bit of talking out your ass. A little bit of look at what you had but could not hold, and that's on you, baby, too bad. I'm about to make it hurt as I vroom vroom. Ice cold, how I leave you alone, but please tell your mother I'ma miss her. You stay just a little few nights. I could have made you pray to Jesus. Would have shown you to the light every single night. To be born again, babe, to be born again. Non-believer, you victim from the book, can't get back. Nice to leave ya, but I won't be a fool. I got to ask, do your words and gospel do you now? Keeping me strong, carry on like the one. Too many lies will be wrong. So
Said you pass that to my shop this street. Stay mad when I show them all the long receipts. They laugh at you, crash out like a comedy. I can't be a sugar mom, get a job from me. Said, well, let go. Let me live happily forever after more. I hope you learn something from a little fiasco. You played the game smart, letting little me pass go.
if you try just a little more times, I would have made you a believer. Would have shown you what it's like every single night. To be born again, babe, to be born again. You say just another few nights. I could have made you pray to Jesus. Would have told you to the light every single night. To be born again, babe, to be born again.
Get rid of him, really gonna make you nigga